ChatGPT is a really nice tool that anyone can write a content within a seconds or within a minute. But what if I tell you that it has already created a big competitions, and if you don't break this competition, you will be thrown out very easily from the market. Let's take an example. If I ask 5 different people to write a content on successful habit using the ChatGPT, are you expecting same output for all of those 5? No, it will never. First person might have asked the questions, write me a content on powerful success habits. That's it. Fifth guy might have asked the questions, write me a content on 5 successful habits that can help person to improve his productivity, that can help person to control his emotions and blah blah blah. So in general, it depends on how you ask questions to a ChatGPT, and based on that, ChatGPT will answer you. So make sure you ask the right questions to a ChatGPT. If you want to win, do a lot of practice asking the questions to ChatGPT. That is called prompt engineering.